This smells like my childhood. What's good, YouTube? It's Nazarati and I'm back with another video, and if you're new to my channel, hi, thanks for stopping by. I'm Naz, and on my channel I talk about 4C natural hair and how to take care of it, but I also do travel and lifestyle videos. If that's the kind of content you'd like to see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright, so let's get into the video. So as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a 30-day challenge to grow out my hair with sulfur and Doo Gro. But I wanted to give you guys a little bit of background on my hair. I went natural in 2015, so that's about 7 years. That's insane. And I just cut off all my hair. If I have a picture, I'll insert it there. And I learned a lot in that time. My hair is very picky, but she does not like to be left alone. I've over time become a very lazy natural. I used to do my hair like every week religiously. It was just something I like to do. But because I left it alone for so long, I think that's why she like stunted her growth. I think I mentioned in a previous video that I would pull my hair back. I don't know if you guys can tell, but she is dense, like thick. Pulling back my hair is a task and it is not fun. It's cute. It's real cute, but it is not fun. I think that's been one of the factors as to why my hair hasn't been growing. Also, I don't moisturize it enough with like water. I used to moisturize my hair like every day with water, just give it a little spritz, and I stopped doing that. So my plan for this growth challenge is to obviously use the products, but I want to go back to the basics. Like when my grandmother was doing my hair, girl, and most of you guys can relate that like when our parents or our grandparents or whoever was taking care of our hair, they would use grease. Like if it wasn't Blue Magic or Royal Crown, it was sulfur-8. And now I understand why. Grandma's the GOAT, okay? When she would use grease, my hair stayed moisturized. Like it would be all over my pillow at night, but it was just like it stayed moisturized. Right now, I'm using like a bunch of conditioners, like lightweight. Well, I use like butters and like creams and stuff, and it is heavy, but it doesn't give that same consistency as grease. So I'm gonna go back to what we all know in the Black community, which is sulfur-8. This is the original formula. The original purpose for sulfur-8 is to be like an anti-dandruff solution for your scalp. But the active ingredient within sulfur-8 is sulfur. So sulfur is like one of the minerals that's found within protein, and the protein that makes up our hair is keratin. And so sulfur helps boost the effects of keratin. Keratin makes your hair healthy and strong as it would with any protein, just like in your skin or in your nails. So as you can imagine, the lack of sulfur within your hair makes it dry and brittle. But what's also really cool about sulfur is that it extends the growth phase within your hair growth cycle. I think it's like 3 phases: growth phase, your regression phase, and then your resting phase. This extends the period of time in which your hair can grow. What the heck? How cool is that? Not only is it helping the protein within your hair to rebuild itself, it's also allowing it to do it for an extended period of time. That's so cool. So that is why I'm choosing to use sulfur and Doo Gro. Again, a classic. It's been around for ages. So this is the one I'm choosing to use. I'm using the mega thick one just because I'm a little impatient. I really want to see what it can do for the areas that I'm having the most trouble with. It says that this formula helps thicken and strengthen weak and damaged hair. Its special blend of vitamins, herbal extracts, shea butter, and botanical thickeners provides needed conditioning for strong, healthy, and shiny hair. And it's safe on all hair types, including natural, color treated, and relaxed hair. Moisturizes dry scalp on thinning edges and temple areas. This is why we need this. I want to show you, but I don't. Y'all, my edges are thinning and I'm scared. I'm truly scared. I'm too young to be losing my edges like this. What is going on? Oh, and not only am I going to be using those as a mixture, I'm going to be using my Jamaican black castor oil. But we all know this is a staple, and I think it'll go well with the rest of the ingredients. So black castor oil helps strengthen hair, replenishes it, rejuvenates it, and also nourishes it. It's also really good for skincare. So if you don't know, now you know. So those are the products I'm going to be using for the challenge. I'm going to mix them all together, and I'll show you just how I do that, and I'll apply it for 30 days. Okay, I think I'm going to start with the length check. I'm going to be taking a total of 6 measurements, 1 from each temple in the front, 1 from each side by the nape, the crown, and in the front. I'm nervous. I just cut my hair, if you checked out my last video. Shout out to you. And I also think that's part of the problem. I do like cut my hair, trim my hair a little too often, but I like the freedom of it. It's my own hair. I can do what I want. Don't be like me, because I can't in the same breath complain about my length and then cut my hair every 3 months. Anyway, I have a tape measure here. I'm going to be doing it in inches to the best of my ability. I'm by myself, so. And also my hair is like in a really shrunken state. It is what it is. Okay. So measuring. Focus, headphone. Oh, I think it is. Here. That seems about right. Ain't no way. 10 inches. Hey, you can see it. That's insane. Okay, 10 inches to the back right. I'm going to log that measurement. Okay, that's under my hair. Oh, I just ripped out some. It is 10 as well. All right, that's not bad. Okay, symmetry. Yeah, let's do this piece. Hold on. Okay. 10? It's 10 again. Okay, 10 inches. It's kind of weird. I don't like that. Yeah, let's go ahead and measure this side of my head. Ow. I know one of my sides is shorter than the other. I just can't remember which is which. That's weird. Why is it 10 again? Also 10. What? That way. Okay, I don't know. I know the middle is not the same. She cute. Oh wow. Okay, 11 1/4. First of all, how am I supposed to do it up? Am I supposed to do it up? I just do it out. I don't freaking know. Okay. 13. 13? Okay, weird. 13. I always knew I loved the crown in my head. That makes so much sense because first of all, my fro is very top heavy and there's like a lot of shrinkage on the outskirts of my head. And it doesn't help that the middle is like a completely different texture. Okay, let me get myself together. Better, much better. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I make the concoction of sulfur 8 Doo Gro and Jamaican black castor oil. Should look a little like that. I put mine in a mason jar for easy use and access. Also, when I was making my mixture, I only used like half of the bottle of Jamaican black castor oil because I'm going to put the rest of it in like a regular applicator bottle so I can just apply it to my edges. Speaking of edges, let's go ahead and talk about it, sis. Judge me not. My hairline has always been like really weird, but I know you can see like right in here Let's get closer. Right in here is very thin. I don't like that. What are we doing here? What are we doing? And it's like all gone here. Like, what the heck? Who said that was allowed? Anyways, we gonna restore it, okay? So that's what we're trying to mitigate there. we gonna grow it back, I promise. So I will be showing you all how I apply this mixture in a separate video. Obviously these ingredients are scalp specific, like the anti-dandruff and then the actual like scalp conditioning. In this kind of state, it's not the best way. I can barely get to my scalp now. If you guys want to join me on this challenge, I fully encourage it. I know some people don't like the consistency and texture of grease, but the benefits are there, sis. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you. I appreciate you. Go ahead and leave a white heart down in the comments. Again, I'm Naz, and I'm so grateful that you clicked on this video and stayed to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed my content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.